Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create smooth and aesthetic video editing using Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use Capcut Mobile, and first of all, I'm going to create new project here. Then you can choose a video or some videos that you want to edit. For example, I'm just going to use a video from the Capcut library. I'm going to go to the scenery category, and then I'm going to select one of them. For example, I'm going to choose this one guys, and then I'm going to combine it with my own video. Okay, wait, it's still loading. All right, and I'm going to add this video to my project. Okay, I'm going to use this video as opening. Okay, and then I'm going to add my own video. But wait, the video is too long, so I'm going to cut the video. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to make it under 10 seconds. Okay, wait guys, I'm still cutting my video. Okay, I'm going to make it 5 seconds. Oops. Okay, I think 3 seconds enough, and then I'm going to add my own video. Click on this plus icon to add new video, and then I'm going to open up one of my albums here, and wait, let me select this video. Okay, add, and then I'm going to cut the video like this. All right, and then at the beginning, I'm going to add blur effect to make it more cinematic. I'm going to go to the effects menu, select video effects, and I'm going to search for blur. Search for blur effect, and then I'm going to choose blurry focus. Okay, and I'm going to reduce the speed, increase the blur effect just a little bit. Okay, and click on the check mark, and let's see how it looks. Okay, and then here I'm going to add black transition to make it more cinematic. We can select black fade transition like this. And wait, let me play it. And then I'm going to make it slow motion. So I'm going to select the video like this until the video is active. And then we're going to go to the speed menu, select normal, and I'm going to reduce the speed 0.5. And if you have Capcut Pro, you can activate smooth slow-mo. Okay, I'm going to choose faster process. Okay, and hold on. Now the slow-mo is being applied to my video. Okay, and then I'm going to play it. This is for the intro. Okay, and you can customize the transition. I'm going to increase the duration, guys. Okay, and let's take a look. Okay, like this. And then to make it more dramatic, you can add music. You can add like a static music. I'm going to go to the sound, and I'm going to add music from Capcut. I'm going to choose peace and calm, and I'm going to choose this one. Sorry, I cannot play it louder because of the copyright. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create smooth and aesthetic video editing using Capcut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.